Well, hello, happy Saturday. Jumbo, how are you all? I am feeling overrun by my crazy townhouse right now. So, it's Power Hour Day. It is 10:30 Saturday morning, and I'm going to try to get as much stuff done, cleaned, taken care of, put away, all of the above, that I possibly can in this hour. So, I have the dishwasher running already. Let's go throw in some laundry. Fastest laundry load I've ever done in my life. So this is just one load of laundry here. Just gonna get that started while I then go upstairs and work on the rest of the house. So I had a few dishes that I needed to hand wash that couldn't go into the dishwasher. So I rinsed off my cast iron skillet there, and then I have my Instant Pot lid. I made chicken and broth the other day, so had to get that washed. Can't put that in the dishwasher, I don't think. Can I put my lid in the dishwasher? Does anybody know? Let me know in the comments if I can dishwash my my lid there. I don't think I can. So anyway, so I just did some hand washing, and then I have a strainer that also did not fit in the dishwasher when I started the load. So hand washed that to get the sink emptied out, because I wanted to do a little bit more of a deep clean on the actual sink itself. So what I did is I just took all of the clutter and stuff off the edge, and then sprayed it down with my thieves cleaner to start with. And then this is one of those, it's kind of like a 3M green scour pad, and I cut it in half so that it fit my hand a little bit better. And then I just used the thieves cleaner and then the sponge, just really rub it around. And it's a pretty abrasive sponge, but it's one of those non-scratch sponges. So then I just used a little bit of water then to help get some of the grime and the food particles and whatever else was living in my sink out, and then gave it a little rinse with the water too. And then I needed to go around the edge of the sink here a little bit more as well. So I grabbed a paper towel and just wiped that up too. Not really super deep cleaning, like I'm not getting out a toothbrush and going in there and getting all crazy. I'm just, it's just pretty much surface cleaning today, getting as much done as I can. But take a look at how well the thieves cleaner does on the faucet there. It really makes it shine. I love that. So then I'm going to do the same type of thing for the rest of my counters too. I'm just going to spray those down and then give them a wipe with a paper towel too. I put it all over my stove as well. And it works well, and I feel good using my thieves cleaner because I know it's non-toxic. Like with the Clorox and the Lysol, it says on the back that you should spray it on and then rinse it off. Does anybody rinse their Clorox or their Lysol off of their counters? I don't know anybody that does. So I'm feeling comfortable using my thieves cleaner because I don't have to do that, which is always good. So then I had a lot of just random grass and dirt and things on the entryway floor, as well as the floor in the kitchen too. I'm always getting like vegetables and just food particles all over my floor. So I was originally thinking, well, I'll just mop it up and do all that, but I wanted to just be able to make it look nice and not really care if it was super duper clean. So I just grabbed my, this is a Dollar Tree broom, believe it or not, $1 from the Dollar Tree. Love that. And really, really old though, years ago. And so then I just went around and broomed, swept up everything. And then I took my stick vac and then vacuumed up my little piles of dirt that I had everywhere. I figured that would be pretty fast. So then I went into the family room and just kind of cleaned up in here. I set up camp on the couch in the evening times, like when I'm watching YouTube videos or moderating live Disney streams or, working on my own stuff. I couldn't get the it's such a big blanket. So anyway, so I just needed to fluff the pillows and put the blankets away, because I literally do just set up camp in my family room in the evening times when I'm doing my work and stuff. So then I had a whole bunch of stuff on this is my kitchen table. So just wanted to put away all of our spices and some of my husband's supplements and my supplements, and my makeup there. I do my makeup at the kitchen table too, and I'm having breakfast. Spray it down with thieves cleaner and just wipe it up. Super easy. Now, throughout the week, my essential oils just migrate around the house, so I wanted to bring those back in. Love my new shelf, the essential shelf on Etsy. Check them out. So I just want to put those away and then get the bed made for the day too. And I just changed the sheets the day before, so I didn't need to change the sheets this Saturday. So I just got the pillows put on there. and then into the master bathroom. This is my bathroom, so I just, again, sprayed it down with my thieves cleaner. That's literally all I use ever, and took some paper towels and just wiped it down. And my mirror was pretty good. I was actually kind of surprised that I didn't need to clean my mirror too, but if I did, I would have just sprayed it down with the thieves cleaner also. It does the, great job on windows, mirrors, doors, floors, toilets, like all the things. So sprayed that down, got in back behind the little faucet there. And then the inside of the sink is a little more grimy, so I needed a little bit of water help there. I plugged the sink and then just went around that little stopper in the bottom and rinsed it around, and then gave my hands a wash because, gotta wash your hands after they get dirty, right? So then at this point in time, my timer went off for my dryer load. So I just went downstairs and changed the laundry, threw everything in there, super duper fast. And very, very simple. So all I do to dry, I actually don't use fabric softener. I just use the Young Living dryer balls, and then I put Citrus Fresh on those, or sometimes lemongrass. I do about 3 drops of oil on each of the dryer balls and just throw those in with my laundry, help it freshen up. And then upstairs to my front room, this is like my office, so I just picked up clutter there and had enough time to sit down and pay a couple of bills, so I am fresh and ready to go for this upcoming week. And that, ladies and gents, took me the full hour. Thank you guys so much for hanging out with me today. If you haven't already and you'd like to hit that button down below, subscribe so you never miss a daily video. Happy power houring, and I will see you all tomorrow. Ciao.